Okay, welcome to the ArcPool Archives. Today we're going to talk about restoring your Yoroi wallet. So the first thing you want to do is open up the browser, which installed the extension. Yoroi is an extension, and there it is. Go ahead and click on your Yoroi extension, open it up, and you can see mine's still syncing right now. I'm doing a resync on it, but that's something to talk about in another video. You want to delete the wallet. Again, we're practicing deleting it. You want to click on the gearbox, click on wallet, and then we'll see the option. There's the option to resync it. Actually, there you go. You want to remove the wallet. Okay. After the wallet is removed, you'll see this disappear. You want to come back to this area and click Add New Wallet. You want to click Restore Wallet, Cardano, and then select your recovery phrase, whether it's 15 or 24. We did a 15 last time, I believe. And then you also want to cover the type of wallet, which is going to be a standard wallet. I believe we made a standard wallet last time. This is where I believe you can change your wallet's name if you'd like. I haven't checked that, but I'll just go ahead and use your the name of your last wallet and the recovery phrase. Very important that when you start, typing, remember we talked about this last time, go ahead and select the words. That way you didn't type the whole word out. It's important to do that. I think it's a nice feature because if someone if you have a keylogger attack, a worm on your computer that's tracking your keystrokes, they can get your passphrase, but not if you select it as soon as you see it. This is also the opportunity to change your new spending password. You set a new password. Just remember, if you set a new password, cross it off your old list and put in your new password. And then after you do it, repeat it, then you can go ahead and hit restore, and then you should see it populate back in. And that's how you do a restore to your wallet. It's great practice. It's a good peace of mind to actually go ahead and do this maybe with an empty wallet or maybe just a little bit of aid in it, just so that you have confidence that you can restore your wallet to any computer. That's how you would do it. Add the extension and restore wallet if there's no wallet on that computer. And it gives you good confidence just in case your system crashes. Your ADA is always available in your wallet. Another important thing, once you actually have this money in this wallet, is to remember to delegate it. To delegate it, you just click on this delegation list, and then you can search by pools. I do recommend picking a pool that's sort of a bare metal or its own server that's not hosted on something like AWS or some kind of massive digital storage center, because that kind of centralizes Cardano, and that's not what we're looking to do. We want a total decentralization. So my pool is an individual rent pool. I run this one on my own servers. And yeah, we appreciate if you delegate it. So there you go. And that's our video on how to create a Yoroi wallet. The next few videos will be how to get money off exchanges and into your wallet. So we'll go through each exchange and show how to do that. Thanks for watching.